Hello, I'm Qaisar. Today I'm going to solve ICSE 2024 examination specimen question paper mathematics. पहले आप एक शायर की दो लाइन सुने. शायर कहता है, वफा को मैं जफा लिखूं, जफा को मैं वफा लिखूं, वफा को मैं जफा लिखूं, जफा को मैं वफा लिखूं, सुलगती धूप की किरणों को सावन की घटा लिखूं, सुलगती धूप की किरणों को सावन की घटा लिखूं, मेरी मजबूरियों को तू जो चमचा नाम देता है, चमचा चापलूस फ्लैटर, मेरी मजबूरियों को तू जो चमचा नाम देता है, बता इस दौर में मैं ये नहीं लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं, बता इस दौर में मैं ये नहीं लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं. थैंक यू. Alright. Today, question number 3, first sub question. Second sub question already I have solved. This is first sub question, and the question is, if A, B and C are in continued proportion, then prove that 3A square plus 5AB plus 7B square whole divided by 3B square plus 5BC plus 7C square is equal to A upon C. This is the question. This we have to prove. Alright. Because the three quantities A, B and C are in continued proportion, so first of all let me know, let me tell you the definition of a ratio, though it's not there in the quotient, but because we are talking about proportion, and as you know, when two ratios are equal, for example A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we say that the quantities A, B, C and D are in proportion. So I'll just tell you the definition of a ratio, which you already know. See, I have written here, the comparison of two numbers or quantities in the same unit, of the same kind, in the same unit, by division is known as the ratio. Alright, so thus the ratio of A to B is the fraction, the ratio of A to B is the fraction A upon B. A upon B, and which is generally right, A is to B. A is to B. This is the ratio. A upon B, which is generally write down A is to B. Alright. Now, one more thing. If two ratios are equal, for example, A upon B is equal to C upon D. If two ratios are equal, then we say that the four quantities A, B, C and D, they are in proportion. And please remember one more thing. Here D is called the fourth proportional. Alright, this knowledge will help you in some other question. Alright, in our question, the question says that the three quantities A, B and C are in proportion. The three quantities A, B and C are in continued proportion. Now let's see what happens when the three quantities are in continued proportion. Alright, so if A, B and C are in continued proportion, that means, let's understand first, then we will start solving the question. So that means A upon B is equal to B upon C. Look here, there it was A upon B equal to C upon D. Here it is A upon B is equal to B upon C. That means the first quantity upon the second quantity is equal to the second quantity upon the third quantity. This is common. The ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity is equal to the ratio of the second quantity to the third quantity. This is common. Alright. So if A upon B is equal to B upon C, then we say that the three quantities A, B and C are in continued proportion. Or if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A upon B is equal to B upon C. In our case, they are in continued proportion, so we'll write A upon B equal to B upon C, or that is B square equal to AC. If we cross multiply, so we'll write on B square is equal to AC. Fine? Okay. Now let's see the solution. Question, this is the question. Now I'm checking the left hand side. Alright. This question you know down, and after that you write down LHS is equal to, which I'm doing here. LHS is equal to, alright? LHS is equal to, fine? This is LHS. But before that, let us write down first we write down this, and then after that we'll start with the left hand side. First you write down, because it's given that A, B and C are in continued proportion, so you write down, since A, B and C are in continued proportion, therefore A upon B, is equal to B upon C. That is B square equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. This result we know. B square is equal to AC. Alright, we are going to use this. B square is equal to AC. This is equation number 1. You can call this equation number 1. This result we are going to use. Now, after this, you start with the left hand side. Alright. So LHS is equal to 3A square plus IAB plus 7B square whole divided by 3B square plus 5BC plus 7C square. Now the result we know, B square is equal to AC, please remember. Alright. So B square is equal to AC, we are going to substitute here. B square is equal to AC. And we get this is equal to 3 A square plus 5AB plus 7 B square is equal to AC. Result. Equation number 1. B square is equal to AC. So in place of B square we are writing AC. AC. Whole divided by 3 B square is AC plus 5BC plus 7C square. Alright, you can write down here once again. Here you write down since b square is equal to ac from equation number 1, relation 1. Alright, now see if anything is common in the numerator. A is here, A is here, A is here. A is common, so we can write down. We can take A common. Take A common from the numerator and we get 3. Then we get 5b plus 5b. Then plus A is common, 7c. Bracket close. And this divided by C is common. C is here, C is here, and C is here. C is common from the denominator, and we get 3a plus C is common, 5b plus C is common, 7c. Now see the expression within the bracket. 3a plus 5b plus 7c, 3a plus 5b plus 7c, same. So we can cancel it. We can cancel it. This entire whole bracket, this cancels it. And ultimately we are left with a upon c. This is equal to a upon c. Alright. And below that, next step, right? Next step will be is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. Proved. Here I don't prove. Fine. This is method 1. There is another method. This is method 1. Alright. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Fine. Alright. This is a break, so this also you can write down in red. RHS. R H S. LHS is equal to RHS proved. This is method 1. This is method 1. Method 1. There's another method which I'm going to solve. Okay, let's have a look. Method 2. This clear? This A upon C is the right hand side. Now in method 2, what we do, wait. Now method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Fine. ABC are in continuous proportion, so we write down A upon B is equal to B upon C. So we write down since A, B and C are in continuous proportion, therefore A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. C. Fine. A upon B is equal to B upon C given. B square equal to AC, A upon B equal to B upon C, and that we are supposing K. So from here we can write down B is equal to CK. Therefore B is equal to CK. Therefore B is equal to CK. And A is equal to BK. A is equal to BK, but B is how much? CK. So you write down in place of B CK. So in place of B, if you write down CK, so you get CK into k, and that gives you ck square. So better you write on first b equal to ck, and then you write on generally students write a is equal to bk, and then they write on b is equal to ck. But this is better. First you write on b is equal to ck, and then when you write on a is equal to bk, so already b you know here, b is equal to ck. So in place of b you write on ck. Now ck into k is ck square. All right. Now a is equal to ck square and b is equal to ck. We are going to substitute in this. All right. So again LHS. Again LHS is equal to. Fine. So please remember, b is equal to ck and a is equal to ck square. All right. Okay. Now again LHS is equal to. So LHS is equal to how much? This is equal to a is equal to how much? Ck square. All right. So 3 in place of a ck square. Ck square and that whole square. A square, but a is ck square. A is ck square. All right. A upon b is equal to b upon c. So b is equal to ck and a is equal to ck square. All right. So a is equal to ck square plus phi. A is equal to ck square, c k square, and b is equal to ck. B is ck plus 7. B is equal to ck. B is ck. So we are getting b is ck and b square, and upon 3b square. 3b square. B is equal to ck. So ck. In place of b, ck, but b square. Alright. B is equal to ck plus phi. B is equal to ck. Ck into c. Alright. And plus 7c square. Now let's see. What are we getting? Look here. One more step you can write on, which I am not writing. You can simplify. You can write on this 3 c square k raised to the power 4. Should I write? Okay, I'm writing. I'm writing 3c square k4. 3c square k4 plus 5c square k3 plus 5c square k3 plus 7c square k square plus 7c square k square, and this divided by 3c square k square, 3c square k square plus 5c square k. Alright, plus 5c square k plus 5c square k plus 7c square. Now from the numerator, see, k square is here, c square is here, k square is here, c square is here, k square is here, c square is here. So k square, c square is common. And from the denominator, c square, c square, c square common. So k square, c square common, k square, c square common. Let us take common k square, c square. That is equal to k square, c square. This is common. So we are getting then 3k square in bracket, 3k square plus 5k plus 5k plus 5k plus k square c square, so plus 7. Alright, and this bracket is closed now. All divided by, what is common here? C square is common, c square. We take c square common, what are we getting inside? 3k square plus 5k plus 7. See the bracket 3k square plus 5k plus 7, 3k square plus 5k plus 7. Again you can cancel them. You can cancel. This cancels this, and even c square cancels c square. So finally we are left with k square. This is equal to k square. Equation number 1, you can call this equation number 1, or equation number 2, or equation number alpha. Suppose equation number alpha. Alright, now RHS. RHS is equal to, clear? RHS is equal to, so RHS is equal to, how much it is? A upon C. A upon C. A upon C, RHS. A upon C. A upon C, and that is equal to B is equal to CK, A equal to CK square, so A is equal to CK square. CK square upon C. CC cancel, and we are left with K square. Alright, quality question number beta. Equation number beta. So RHS, right hand side is equal to k square, even left hand side is equal to k square. We simplified this all, and right hand side is also k square. Therefore, from equations alpha and beta, or 1 and 2, A and B, anything you can write down. So therefore, from equations alpha and beta, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, from alpha and beta, from equation alpha and beta, therefore from equation alpha and beta, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. If you have time, if your speed is good, then you can write down once again the given expression, the given equation, alright? The result, that is 3a square plus 5ab plus 7b square divided by 3b square plus 5bc upon plus 5bc plus 7c square is equal to a upon c, that question in box. Otherwise, leave here. LHS is equal to RHS, and then here you write down proved. QED. QED. QED, coordinate demonstrandum. Proved. Alright. I hope everything is very, very clear. आखिर में आपको मैं एक जोक सुनाता हूँ. Alright. टीचर ने कहा बच्चों से, तुम मेरी क्लास में नहीं सो सकते। तो एक बच्चे ने कहा कि सो सकते हैं सर, अगर आप थोड़ा और आहिस्ता बोले। ओके देन, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स।